Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Himanshu Aran. I am a dental surgeon, prosthodontist, academician. Prosthodontist means a dentist who recreating the smile. We say God creates and we recreates. Today I am here to create awareness about the dental diseases and role of oral health. Oral health is the mirror of overall health. This is something we have to understand because oral health is the gateway of good health. What do you mean? Because oral cavities comprises of lips, teeth, cheek, muscles, and whatever we are having, it is going through our mouth. And if our mouth is not in healthy state, our overall health can't be in good state of the health. But unfortunately, in our country, like India, nobody is taking care it very seriously. How many of you are going to the doctor, to the dental surgeons for a general and routine examination? This is a myth. Whenever we are having a dental pain, then only we are going to doctor. And think a moment about how important is this oral health. Because as I told you, and if we see a survey done by Hindustan Times in long back in 2009, only 67% never visited a dentist. And out of this 67%, 87% think they will visiting unless they are having a problem, or then only they will go to the dental surgeon or oral surgeon. This is not the required thing. About 80%, 60%, 68 of 200 of studies population was totally unaware that their specialty is the dentistry, while 4.5%, that is 9 of 200, had a vague account for the same. I will like to tell you, dental surgery is not just about the dental extraction or replacing the tooth. In dentistry, nowadays we are having 9 specialization, which are dealing with the different kind of dental restorations. So we should know how dentistry has been advanced. And today I am going to emphasize what are the common things which we have to keep in mind when we are talking of dental health, oral health. So this is the scenario in our country. We are not very aware of our dental health and oral health, and this is a time of need of the time we have to concentrate on this. What is the health? Health is a state of physical, mental, social, emotional well being in which we function with the comfort, confidence, creativity, commitment, and leading an economically productive life. This is the ultimate successful life of any individual, and in essence, health is a fundamental to human progress. If we are not healthy, we can't work properly, we can't progress in any field, be it engineering, doctorate, politician, whatever. But we have to be healthy first, and this is the, as per WHO, healthy definition of health. And healthy living, as per our Ayurveda, is a balance between Vata, Pitta, Kapha, air, fluid, and solid. And lifespan of the cells normally is 10 days. WC, RBC, red blood cell, 120 days. And these cells are keeping forming and keeping regenerating. And the healthy life is the balance between regeneration and degeneration. And rejuvenation is very important part. When there is a degeneration, we have to rejuvenate our body to be the healthy and to be the happy person. As I told you, oral health is the gateway to the overall health. This is a misconception that our teeth are affecting only our oral cavity. No. This is the scenario when our oral cavity is affecting our overall health, or vice versa. Means overall health is affecting our oral cavity. If we see, there are certain cardiovascular diseases which are being caused by the periodontal disease. Periodontal disease means the diseases of gums. And if a person is having the periodontitis, he has the chances of getting subacute bacterial endocarditis, inflammation of middle wall of the heart. Similarly, kidney can be affected by your plaque in the body. Your lungs can be affected. You can have sinusitis if you are having the decayed teeth in the mouth. if you have a periodontal problem, and your diabetes, pancreas is very much directly related to the cavity of the health of the oral cavity, and these are affecting your oral cavity also. Brain. Now you will see ki how brain can be affected by teeth health. I will like to share you with one of my patient history. You know, this is the danger area of mouth. The upper six teeth comes in the danger area of the mouth. If any infection is occurring in front six teeth, they have direct connection with the brain. And one of my patient, not my patient, some others, one patient get extraction by some unqualified doctor who did not follow the infection control protocols, and he got the infected. Then he came to me when I was practicing in Delhi, and that patient died of because of cavernous sinus thrombosis. This is a very serious illness which can't be cured. That infection traveled from the tooth extraction to the patient brain, and he could not survive. So these are the situations. Recently we have faced COVID. COVID-19 was a havoc, and you know, one of the symptom, one of the sign which was making the diagnosis was the loss of taste sensation. Similarly, HIV infection, that is having one kind of sarcoma, Kaposi sarcoma, that is being diagnosed in the oral cavities first. So these are the few things which can be diagnosed at the oral cavity at earlier stage, and that is why we call oral cavity is the mirror of overall cavity body. What is the role of your teeth? Most of the time we think the teeth or tooth is only important for eating or mastication. No, my dear friends, teeth are having so many roles. Teeth have very value effects in the aesthetic. Aesthetic means appearance. Can you believe it? You are not having the front tooth and you are looking good? No. So aesthetic looking appearance is very important. These two things normally people know, but I will like to emphasize on speech, swallowing, and psychological health. You know, when I am speaking from this podium, my teeth are playing an important role by pronouncing the various aspects of the sound. And if we are losing the teeth, we can't speak properly. If you see a patient, edentulous patient, edentulous means the patient who is not having any teeth, his speech is very much altered and affected. And swallowing is also affected by the presence or absence of the teeth. And more important, your psychological health. You imagine if you are not having teeth, if you are not looking good, if you are not able to eat properly, if your appearance is compromised, then your self-esteem is going down. And when your self-esteem is going down, your level of confidence is going down, and that is affecting your psychological health. So that is why these are the important role of teeth in the body. And what are the common dental ailments which are affecting the teeth? And in this category, basically four problems are there. First is tooth decay, second is periodontitis or gum disease, third is the trauma, and fourth is the oral cancer. Tooth decay. We are talking about tooth decay, and you know tooth decay is being caused by the bacteria in our mouth. There are certain bacteria in our mouth which are present. Few are friends, few are enemies. And out of those, one Streptococcus mutans is bacteria which is the cause for the formation of cavity. Dental caries, we call it scientifically. In common language, we call it tooth decay or dental caries. So what happens when we are eating some sugary substance? That Streptococcus mutans attack on that sugary product and create the acid, and that acid create the cavitation in our tooth, hole in our tooth. And we know that we have four layers of the tooth in enamel. Enamel is the hardest tissue in the body, then dentine, then pulp. So if this dental caries remain untreated, so then it goes to further to the dentine. When it reaches to the stage of dentine, it gives the sensitivity to the teeth, means you have hot and cold sensation. If it is not treated at this stage also, then it will goes to the nerve and blood vessels present in the roots of the tooth, and this is giving a severe pain. And most of the time, unfortunately, in our country, we are going to doctor at the stage of pain. And when you are going at the stage of pain, means infection has reached to the pulpal level, to the level of nerves and blood vessels. And then patient will curse the dentistry, then patient will curse the doctor. Dentistry in India is very costly. But if you have gone in the time, then it can be restored with a simple filling. But if you are coming at this later stage, then we have to do root canal treatment, we have to do the crown preparation, and sometimes we have to lose the tooth, surgery extraction. Another very common disease. If you see the disease present in the world, disease present in the India, dental caries and gum disease are the most common disease which occurs 85 to 90% of the disease. And I will like to share these all disease are our lifestyle disease. You know, nowadays there is no survey exists, but if you meet any person, every fourth or fifth person is suffering either with diabetes, hypertension, cancer incidence is increasing. So these all diseases are the lifestyle disease. And what are the lifestyle disease? Lifestyle disease basically occurring when we are leading a faulty life, when we are not doing the exercises, when we are not taking the proper diet. These are the by our own. But certain lifestyle diseases which is not in our hand, because nowadays you know lot of fertilizers are being used to increase the yield of the crops. There are lot of insecticide and pesticides are being used to have the good or quality foodstuffs. And all these fertilizers and insecticides are going to our body and they are giving damage to us. That is why the cancer is increasing day by day. Similarly, these dietary habits are affecting our teeth also. As I told you, this is the lifestyle disease. If you see a tiger, he never brush his tooth, but he is not having any caries because he is taking raw food. We are having the processed foods, we are having the sugary foods. So that gives chance to mutants to act and produce the acid. Similarly, I am talking of gums. You try to imagine a person sitting next to you and having the bad smell from his mouth or her mouth. See how difficult it will be for you to sit with that person. Just think about your partner when you are having an intimate relation and you are having some bad smells. That is very offensive. This bleeding gum, next stage of the bad smell of the mouth. And periodontitis, we call it. What are the cause of tooth or teeth loss? I've told you: poor oral hygiene, poor nutrition, congenital absence, dental diseases. Oral cancer is another challenging feature. This is again because of wrong dietary habits. We are using the tobacco, we are using the smoking, and in our content, India and Sri Lanka, Pakistan, it is more common. So we have to be careful. And I told you, always prevention is better than cure for any disease. So these are the tips for preventing the disease. Nutrition and fibrous food we have to take. We have to do proper brushing. We have to use proper flossing. And this is about my profession. I will take 2 minutes more. When we are doing the treatment, when we are doing the taking care of the patient which are coming to our clinic, that is our profession. By that profession, we are earning money, but that is not the only life. We have to take care of the underprivileged section of the society. As a doctor, as a human being, that is my first duty to take care of the society. And for that, we are doing dental camps in the rural areas, uphill areas of Uttarakhand. I belong to Uttarakhand state where dental facilities are not available. We are doing the maximum number of cases in there. I am a prosthodontist, denture making my specialization. You know, when we are making denture in our clinic, that take 8 to 10 days. But in these camps, we are making dentures in within 2 days, and we are providing the services. Similarly, we are taking care of health of Divyangs, like blind people, mentally challenged persons. This is we are doing as a part of our social duty, and we are doing dental treatments for terminally ill patients, leprosy sufferers, and to provide them good health so that they can lead the good overall health. I am a proud prosthodontist. As I told you, God creates, we recreate. So let us take care of our smiles, and by taking care of smiles, we should be taking care of smile of underprivileged group of the society. Thank you for your patience listening.